On Saturday, we began a rollout of exemption cards for those who fell within an exemption category as outlined within the bylaw. Since then, the city has faced criticism around this program, and I'm here today to provide some additional information. The most important point I want to make is that the program is based on trust, and on a system that Edmontonians will do the right thing. It also strikes a balance. Firstly, it aligns with our gender-based analysis plus commitment. The inclusion commitment aims to support a broad range of Edmontonians with different needs. Second, it responds to the feedback we received from some members of the public who are exempt and were face challenged in navigating through out in public without a mask or face covering. We heard they are being confronted and in some cases denied service. This is not the Edmonton way. Third, we believe that asking questions about individuals' health status was not appropriate, and we should have no way to evaluate the status if we required proof, such as a doctor's note. Additionally, requiring people to get proof of a health or medical condition puts an unnecessary burden on the healthcare system. Fourthly, we looked for a distribution method that was accessible and geographically covered most parts of Edmonton. Recreation centres made the most sense where card distribution could be reasonably controlled at front desks by employees. We are in the process of supplementing this distribution with a card request via mail and a web-based form on edmonton.ca. This will be available within the next day or so. We know that this program is not without its flaws, but on balance, we believe it strikes the right mix of elements that compassionately support those who feel they need some way of signaling their exemption. As of noon today, we distributed 3,866 cards, which covers less than 0.5% of Edmonton's population. And we also continue to see high levels of mask compliance, with this morning's numbers showing a citywide trend of around 85%, and more than 90% on transit and 96% within our rec facilities. I know businesses have concerns about this exemption card program. We will continue to work with them and assist them in building appropriate service policies. We are encouraging businesses to not refuse service to those who are wearing masks and indicate they have an exemption. We feel that anyone who has gone to the trouble of sourcing an exemption card really needs it. While we did anticipate some level of people taking advantage of the program, the numbers that we have right now in Edmonton on compliance suggest that we've got absolutely tremendous compliance on our public transit systems, on our buses, on our LRTs, within our rec facilities where we've got upwards of 96% of people coming in with a mask, and we have a small quantity of masks that we are providing. And so I think it really tries to strike the balance between those people in need that require something and a general just understanding of the business community that there are people out there that do qualify for the exemption under the bylaw.